This video is an unboxing of our sails for our Hunter 410, manufactured and designed by Precision Sails.
Our new sails! Yeah, let's lift that. These are new sails.
You're not taping me, are you?
I am taping you. These are lovely FedEx guy brought our sails for us. Just put it right at the beginning because I won't be able to lift.
Alrighty, exciting day today. We finally got our sails. It was a long winter in Canada, and today our sails came from Precision Sail out in Vancouver, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I've been following them for about 4 years, contemplating sails, and they seem like the one to go with. So anyways, here we have the box
to open it.
that came, and we'll just show you the opening. Oh, it smells new.
Does it?
It
Looks
does.
new. Okay. So this is our
This is the main.
paint. Oh, there's a nice striping. I don't know if we have to open it right up. Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that.
Wow. Oh, it's even got like a plate in there or something.
Oh, it's just extra.
Nicely done. Oh, and there's the line inside.
Beauty. Alrighty. So, looks good. Leave the rest for the dock.
Oh, and there's the blue. Okay, nice. Oh, let's see the.
Sweet.
Yeah. Very nice. What are you looking at? Oh, which way to roll it?
I think this was made right.
Why?
Oh, that's right. It's supposed to be trying to. Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah. A little scared. Yeah, you can't see it, right?
Or
When
to
it's
try radial, and the way it was pulled, I was thinking, uh-oh, this is crosscut. And Daryl we trust. Daryl and Ron.
well, we came here to the park. Less chance of any potty on the grass or duck poop because at the marina there's tons, and we didn't want to. Oh, she's big. Maybe it's the way they folded it. She just seems much bigger than the one we have, and heavier. Or we just think ours is so blown out, there's no threads left, that the thread count isn't there.
And that color was perfect, right? On the
Yes,
last
yep,
one?
yep. The right color, umbrella navy.
Very exciting. Nice job, guys.
Beautiful.
So that's our logo. Oops.
Oh, they did an awesome job. Wow, look how big the flag is too.
Oh, that's
For the leaf.
I know, first look, that looks perfect. Wow, Precision Sail, you guys did a great job.
Oh,
Perfect.
I can't wait to see it like
I know.
on the boat
Looks
too.
like perfect size and placement. Wow. That looks great, guys.
Okay, now we have to drive up to the boat now.
Yeah, now we're going to
40
go to the
minutes.
boat and put it on. Awesome. Just out for our little sail. First time with the new sails from Precision Sail. And we just love them. Just love them. And they did a fantastic job with our logo for our YouTube. Couldn't ask for anything more. It's great. Thanks, guys.